Welcome to LK Dinner Time. Today, we're making something super delicious, cheesy mutton and potato bake. This dish is packed with flavor, with layers of soft, spiced potatoes, juicy mutton, and a generous topping of melted mozzarella. Perfect for a cozy meal. We start by cutting potatoes into small pieces and cooking them in coconut oil with a touch of salt, chili powder, and pepper until they turn soft and tender. Meanwhile, in another pan, we cook some ground mutton with a little oil. Seasoning it well with salt, pepper, and chili powder. Once the mutton is nicely fried, we add chopped onion and garlic, giving it that extra depth of flavor. Then come the fresh red and green bell peppers and some juicy tomatoes, bringing in a bit of sweetness and freshness. A good amount of tomato sauce ties everything together into a rich, savory mix. Now, it's time to layer it up. The soft, flavorful potatoes go into a baking dish first, followed by the deliciously cooked mutton mixture. And of course, we top it off with a generous layer of shredded mozzarella because who doesn't love that cheesy goodness? Into the oven it goes. 360 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Just enough to let the cheese melt into perfection. And that's it, a simple, hearty, and cheesy dish that's sure to impress. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to LK Dinner Time. Let me know in the comments how yours turned out, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy cooking!